Hello students, this is Sachin Dubey from Real Academy. I'm a physics teacher, and today this setup is basically the most basic setup to understand physics. To be more precise, to understand how circuit works, an electric circuit works. So the first requirement of an electric circuit is to be a closed one. इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट कैसा होना चाहिए? एक क्लोज्ड सर्किट होना चाहिए. अगर सर्किट कहीं से भी ओपन है तो फंक्शनल नहीं, वो लाइव नहीं है. तो इसके लिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस सी इफ द सर्किट इज क्लोज्ड. द रेड वन गोज टू रेड, connects back to red, and the blacks ones are connected, right? So पूरा सर्किट जो है हमारा क्लोज है, कहीं से भी ओपन नहीं है. क्या क्या चीजें हमने यूज की हैं? So we have power supply, which is basically going to act as the oxygen, right? It's going to act as the main reason the circuit is going to be live. Then there is a switch, which is basically the gateway, for this to reach up to the required destination. And then there is a small bulb which we have used to show that the circuit is on. तो यहाँ पे जब हम लोग स्विच ऑन करेंगे या फिर पावर सप्लाई ऑन करेंगे तो यहाँ पे एक चेंज दिखना चाहिए, बल्ब ग्लो होना चाहिए. दैट इज व्हाट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. इट्स द मोस्ट सिंपल सेटअप टू शो यू हाउ अ क्लोज्ड सर्किट when it is live, when it is active, works. Okay, so let us start without any delay. I put the power supply on. The power supply is already on, but the bulb hasn't glown yet. Why? The reason, circuit अभी भी on नहीं है, circuit close नहीं है. क्यों है ऐसा? Because switch is open. स्विच ऑफ है. ऑन करने के लिए I have to press it. The moment I press it, circuit close हो जाएगा और current will start flowing and the bulb should glow. That is what is expected. Let us see if it happens. 3, 2 and 1. There it is. Happy Diwali. So ये जो पूरा glowing process है, फिर जो पूरा current flow हो रहा है, ये क्यों हो रहा है? Because there is power supply, there is switch which is ensuring that the current reaches there and the finally bulb glows. So this is the most stable or easiest form of understanding it. I would recommend you all to try it on your own. Thank you.